有点阳光。
Today we leave the charming town of Arzúa, known for its delicious cheese and vibrant pilgrim spirit, and head toward O Pedrouzo, the last significant stop before reaching Santiago de Compostela. The trail winds through lush forests, rolling farmland, and peaceful hamlets. The path is gently undulating, offering shaded woodland walks beneath towering eucalyptus trees and moments of quiet reflection. The morning mist, birdsong, and rustling leaves create a serene soundtrack as we walk. Along the way, we pass small chapels, old stone crosses, cruceros, and friendly roadside cafes, perfect for a café con leche break or a slice of tarta de Santiago. There is something deeply moving about joining people from every corner of the world to walk the Camino Frances. Though we come from different cultures, languages, and lives, we share a common goal: to reach Santiago de Compostela. This shared journey forms a unique bond, not just among pilgrims, but between ourselves and the land we cross. We walked through forests that seemed straight out of Alice in Wonderland, where moss carpets the ground and sunlight filters through twisted branches. These forests invite reflection, peace, and even a little magic. We passed through golden fields that stretch endlessly under the Spanish sun, breathing in the crisp, fresh air of Galicia. Small hamlets appear like storybook scenes, where life moves slowly and simply. Locals smile and offer a buen camino, a phrase that becomes more than a blessing. It becomes our encouragement, our mantra. We had a little adventure near the end of today's walk. We missed the correct access path into downtown O Pedrouzo and ended up taking a longer route that led us around the outskirts of the town. It was a bit of an unexpected detour, but like many moments on the Camino, it added its own charm to the journey. Eventually, we made our way back to the town center, a bit more tired but still smiling. After all, getting a little lost is just part of the Camino experience. O Pedrouzo is a small but vibrant village in the municipality of Opino, located in the province of Coruña, Galicia. It sits approximately 20 kilometers from Santiago de Compostela, making it the last major stop on the Camino Francés before reaching the long-awaited final destination. Though modest in size, O Pedrouzo is well equipped for pilgrims, with albergues, hostels, cafes, bakeries, pharmacies, and restaurants lining its main streets. After a long walk from Arzúa, this town provides a welcome place to rest, refuel, and reflect before the emotional final day of the pilgrimage. The village is surrounded by rolling countryside, eucalyptus forests, and quiet rural roads. It's a peaceful setting that encourages rest and anticipation. Many pilgrims choose to take it easy here, go to bed early, and mentally prepare for the next day's arrival at Santiago.